Leader of opposition Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has again sparked a political storm by reviving his dead economy attack, this time linking it to Trump's tariffs on Indian textiles. Sharing a video on social media, Rahul Gandhi lashed out at the Prime Minister and said people in India are hit hard by the tariffs and then repeated his dead economy taunt. The BJP is hit back, rejecting these claims. We'll first get you this detailed report of what Rahul Gandhi said and the counter.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has revived his controversial dead economy attack, this time targeting the impact of steep US tariffs on Indian textiles. Flagging 50% US tariffs and warning of job losses and factory closures, Gandhi squarely held Prime Minister Narendra Modi accountable. He insisted the economy is in dire straits, a phrase he has used repeatedly in recent months. The BJP hit back sharply, rejecting the claims and describing the textile and garment sector as resilient and expanding. They accused Gandhi of spreading negativity even as exports grow.
शट डाउन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री और गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री नहीं हुआ है, शट डाउन आपका दिमाग हो गया है। जो भारत के प्रति आप जहर उगलते हैं, कौन सा शट डाउन हो गया, कौन सा एक्सपोर्ट गिरा जो देश में भरम फैला रहे हैं।
This is not the first time Gandhi has used the dead economy line. In 2025, he echoed former US President Donald Trump's dead economy jibe, originally made on his social media platform, Truth Social. He even agreed with the characterization, a move that sparked controversy within his own party.
Yes, he's right. I mean, everybody knows this, except the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister. Everybody knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact. आपको ये मालूम नहीं है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी डेड इकोनॉमी है? पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज अ डेड इकोनॉमी और बीजेपी ने इकोनॉमी को खत्म कर दिया है.
Trump has written that India and Russia could take their dead economies down together, criticizing trade barriers and tariff levels. Gandhi used this to argue that New Delhi must address deeper economic challenges. The renewed barbs highlight how economic performance has become a central battleground in national politics, with both sides trading sharp jabs over jobs, growth and global trade. Bureau Report, India Today.